can't afford to fail. Too many people are depending on me.
We need results. Stop slacking.
Some men are dying silently while still showing up for everyone else. Strong enough to carry others, yet struggling to carry themselves. Smiling in public, breaking in private. Looking fine on the outside, while falling apart within. This generation taught men to provide, not to heal. The world celebrates strong men, but forgets strong men bleed too. Pressure, responsibility, silence, expectations. And many men are exhausted. But what happens when men finally find brotherhood? What happens when men stop competing and start healing together? What happens when purpose meets accountability? This is not
just
another conference.
This is a room.
This is a room where men rise again.
Rising together.
The strongest men are not the ones who hide pain. They are the ones courageous enough to grow.
Brotherhood Summit 2026!